Thanks for clicking on my channel, Joy's Way. I'm Joy. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning supporter of mine, welcome back, awesome person. So today, because I'm feeling a little Christmassy and I got my pretty new shirt on, I want to do a Christmas look that I would consider a Christmas look. So in order to make that happen, I'm going to need 3 palettes. I tried to get everything organized. I'm trying to do that a little bit. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'm going to be using my Love Crack Beauty eyeshadow palette for just the white. Okay. So I think I have everything here until I don't. I went ahead and did my eyebrows, and I did my skincare. I put my Ace eye primer on because this doesn't bother me. Like, I love it. So it has fallout. I think I knew that already. It's been a while since I've used this palette, but I hope I've seen a picture, you know, because I go and I steal looks off of the internet, and I've seen this picture, and I think it's going to be so pretty if I can get it to look similar, because unfortunately she doesn't have hooded eyes, so I'm just going to have to try my best to mimic how it looks with my hooded eyes. I guess that's a good thing, because then, you know, it's similar but it don't look identical. Oh, I'm so excited. I love Christmas. I really, really do. I am that Christmas girl. Like, I want a year-round Christmas room because Christmas makes me happy. So if I can come across like a year-round Christmas store and I can go and hang out in it for a little bit, I'm like a little kid in a candy shop. But I would rather just get my own room and have it all decorated the way that I want. And then, excuse me, and then, Riri, what are you doing, baby? What are you doing? You don't need to go outside. You just came in before Mama started recording. But decorate it the way I want, and then I can visit my room anytime I want, and I won't have to frickin' travel like 5 hours, it seems like. Okay, so I'm definitely done with that. I'm going into my Nomads palette. Okay, just a second. Riri is so spoiled. I let Riri out. So I bought her this really cute looking sweater. I'll insert a picture. And now that she has the sweater, she wants to live outside. But Nomads palette that I just got. And I'm going to use this blue right here. And I'm going to use so for the white I use my Elena Badro palette. Fucking palette, not a palette, eyeshadow brush. And for the blue I'm going to use my, I think this is a Luxie, and it is a 209 large shader brush. So anyways, so Riri, the reason I got her a shirt was because she would like come in from outside, she'd barely stay outside, and then she would come in freezing, and then she'd shiver for like an hour. And so we were at Walmart, and the shirt was $4.97, and we got home and we put it on her. Well, I put it on her, and I'll tell you what, that girl lives outside now, and if you try to take it off of her, she fights you and runs away from you. So I'm like, okay, so I'm gonna buy her some more shirts, so that way she'll just get mad at me as I pull one off, and then I can put another one on. But right now I don't have another one, so. And then she's super smart too, because she will come in from outside and lay down next to one of the wood burners to like help dry her shirt off, because she'll come in and her shirt will be damp. That's why I wanted to take it off of her, like, but she figured out how to make it to where it was not damp anymore by going to the wood burner. She's so smart, I love it. Alrighty, so I'm going to put my Ace Beauté. I'm going to make a cut crease. I think I'm going to use this brush here. It is just a Morphe brush. I think I'm going to put it on my hand here. I don't know how much I'm going to need. A little bit does go a long way. So, but my brush may soak it up too. Okay guys, I'm going to get real quiet. Cut creases I think are really hard with hooded eyes. Gotta be super duper patient with them. I know there's some girls out there that can just do it so fast. So to save some time while this dries, because I need it to dry up a little bit, I'm going to put my blush and highlight on. I'm using my Girl Power by The Balm. Is that what it's called? Yeah. My Girl Power by The Balm. And I'm going to mix these shades here. And then just apply. See, I'm not too familiar with using eye primer, so I just didn't know I was going to turn that blue, so I hope that when I put the green on it, that it stays green. Okay, do my nose a little bit. Okay. Alrighty, alrighty. Oh, I wish I could listen to music. Like, I know I say that a lot, but I would be listening to some Christmas music. Oh, this was my Cheeky End 218 brush. I don't know where it was from. It's one of those more expensive brushes. And this is by Cheyenne B? Miami? I don't know, I'm sure I'm saying it wrong. But I'm going to use my Glow Edition makeup palette that Kim from Kimmy's Boxes sent me in friend mail. I love it so much. And I'm just going to go like that down to the third one. We're going to highlight there. We're going to do it again. We're going to highlight there. Okay. And then we're going to do it again because I want it to build up a little bit. Okay. Ooh, 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 looky, looky, beautiful. I remember when I hated highlight. I don't know how I highlighted that or why. Okay, so alrighty, we're gonna see, because it's been a while that that's been on, but I'm going to use my Pat McGrath Labs that Influencer sent me. Love it. I can't believe they send out such great products. It's a pain in the ass to open. Okay. And I'm using it for this green right here. Alright, first I'm going to try this brush here. It is a BH Festival brush number 6. I can't remember if it's gonna pick it up or not. Ooh, it might just pick it up. Yay. This palette is amazing. Okay. Oh, where can I put this? I'm running out of space. Okay. Let's see. I'm about to be so bummed. Okay, maybe. It's gonna take me a minute to do this because it is super tacky. And as long as it doesn't look like it's turning blue, I'll keep doing it. Oh, I hope this is so pretty. Because I envisioned that green darker. Like, not darker, brighter. Like, when I swatched it. Like, I'll show you. So there's that. See how much shinier it is? Like, but it might be because of, you know, because it turned blue when I was putting the eye primer on. I don't know. I don't know. I do like it though. It is very, very beautiful. And I love how there is barely any fallout. Okay, now this side. So who is in the Christmas or holiday, whatever you consider it, mood? Like, who's in the spirit? Who's got the spirit inside of them this year? Like, I know not everybody does, and that's a bummer because I know how it feels. It's a pain in the butt when depression kicks in around the holidays. Like, I did that last year. I was super duper depressed. I didn't want to decorate anything. I didn't want to, like, I did for my recording area, but I barely did anything for my house. Like, I was like, my kids are, you know, older, they're teenagers, they don't really care about it as much as, you know, they did when they were littler, so I think that bummed me out a lot. And then my daughter was supposed to come, and then she couldn't make it, so then that bummed me out. But this year, that is so pretty. But this year it's like completely different. Like, I'm so in the mood. My kids are still so much older, like teenagers, you know, a couple of adults are living here now. They still don't care about Christmas. They still could give two shits about, you know, the decorations. I'm sure that they only really care about the presents. And so, you know, uh-oh, damn it. Oh well. See, not everybody's perfect. Just try to fix it. Okay, see, I think I fixed it pretty good. Alrighty, did the same thing pretty much. Because sometimes things smear, you know. Don't get discouraged at all. The lady that I copied this look from, well, you know, similar, she has eyeshadow underneath, like a lighter blue. But I can't really do that because I have small eyes as it is, and when I put trying to get that out of there without ruining my corner. But when I shit. Okay, damn it, how am I doing that? But when I put shadow under here, it makes my eyes look so much smaller. And sometimes even when I, yes, I use my saliva to clean with. It's my saliva. And even sometimes when I put eyeliner, it makes my eyes look smaller. So I always try to make it where my eyes look a little bit bigger. I don't know if I ever succeed though, but I do know I need a little blendy brush. Okay. So I'm going to take this. I got this in BoxyCharm. I don't know what the name of it is, but I'm going to take this and just kind of blend it now because I didn't really do that earlier. Oh, see, kind of looks like hers. Okay, I think it's looking gorgeous, but we all know I'm conceited when it comes to myself. You know, there's nothing wrong with that. I hope that you're conceited when it comes to yourself too, because we are all beautiful. Alrighty, I went ahead and finished up, so this is my final look. I think it looks great. The only thing that you didn't see me do was my ColourPop yellow eyeliner. Put that right down here, just halfway, because the professionals say that if you have small eyes and you want them to look bigger, just do half of your bottom waterline. So that's what I did. And then my lashes, I wanted to go dramatic, so I used my Wink lashes and the Fox Mink. And I use my Pat McGrath Labs, and I think it is OMI 107 is the color. Figured my eyes were dramatic enough that I didn't need to wear like red lipstick or anything. But I am completely finished. I hope you enjoyed watching me do my first Christmas look. Well, for YouTube anyways. I appreciate every single minute that you come and hang out with me. I love you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day. Remain awesome, and peace out, awesome crew.